Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Pepe. And wanted to do a full update. I know the audio is bad. I'm recording on my new laptop, so bear with me. Hopefully, you can still kind of listen through the bad audio and get some value from this, because I do think Pepe at this point of time, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to make a video on that. I actually do see some interesting things here. I think we can actually see some bullish momentum. But yeah, we'll talk about that, right? So let's start with the technical structure right now. I think in general, Pepe at this point of time is very comparable to Bitcoin. So what you see is that we have the strong support level right here at 7,500 and 7,000. That's a strong support level. Normally you would expect that to hold. It's a strong, also if you zoom out, it's a strong high time frame support level. It's a psychological support level with 7,500. It's been respected, and there's also, like, if you think about it, there's no real reason why we should have a bearish breakout below that. And it's also in line with the technical structure we have with Bitcoin, which is also a consolidation. And again, that seems, or at least it seems like that's holding, right? So that's interesting. That's in general, technically, if you assume that that consolidation holds, then you look at the chart and you see that there's a strong resistance at 9,000. What you would say is that, I expect it to hold. So we can actually see some nice bullish momentum, first of all, up to 8,300 and then potentially up to 9,000. So that's what I think is most likely in terms of the market structure. Now, what I would normally say is that only the market structure is not enough to take a trade, right? I mean, if this was a profitable strategy, a lot of people would be profitable, right? So normally I don't think this is interesting, but what makes it interesting for me right now is that, first of all, we do see some bottom signals here, so I am a little bit more confident about holding 7,500. And then apart from that, and that's new this morning, we actually saw some nice buys coming in. All right, here you can see that we got some open interest here, which, that doesn't always lead to something, but every time Pepe is bullish, it starts like this, right? So every time Pepe is bullish, it starts like this. But every time this happens, Pepe doesn't always get bullish. That's what you need to know. So this is interesting, all right? We got some nice big buys coming in right now. Then we also saw some short positions being closed. So that's interesting, in my opinion. We have a strong support level. We have bottom signals. We're gaining some momentum from there. So what we need to see right now is, I think, just a little bit more of a bullish breakout. So for me, the main level I'm looking at is this level kind of right here at around 8,000 and 7,900. I think that if we're able to break above that resistance level, I think you have enough confirmations to assume we're going up to at least the middle of the consolidation at 8,350 and potentially up to the top at 9,000. So that's what we have to wait for. Now, do I think that's most likely? Yes. All right. I think it's most likely. If I look at the markets, if I look at the market structure right here, I think it's most likely we will do something like this. But I do think if you want to trade this and if you want to be certain about this, wait for that breakout. If we secure the breakout on the 1 hour time frame or something, I think that's enough. And alternatively, I also want to see this open interest, which has been dropping down massively for the last 5 days, and want to see that increase as well. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about Pepe. That's what I expect. I'll keep you updated on this. I mean, this is also very dependent on if we keep that momentum and if Bitcoin is able to hold its support, right? It's also possible that Pepe first has to drop back down before doing something like this, so that we stay at the bottom of this consolidation a bit longer. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.